Hi, in front of me is OPPO Reno5 and today I would like to show you how you can use app lock on this device. Start by opening settings and scrolling down. Now choose fingerprint face and password, go into set privacy password and click on use a different password type. Over here pick one of the login methods by tapping on the chosen one, for example pattern. Now enter your login method and repeat it. When you're done, you have to answer this security question by tapping the answer over here or click on the question itself, pick the other one or choose custom question and create your own. When you're done, save it by clicking at the top right corner of this pop-up, answer it and click at the top right corner over here. Then tap on App Lock, choose Restore or Do Not Restore. And over here, you can click on the switcher next to app that you want to lock, for example, calendar. So now when I go back and try to access calendar, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!